Hey, what's up guys? Josiah Novak back again, thetruetransformation.com. Today we're doing a at-home chest workout. So all you're gonna need for this one actually is a pair of bands and a pair of dumbbells, and then just your body weight. And we're gonna knock out a chest workout. We're also gonna get some indirect work for the shoulders and the triceps in the comfort of your own home. So we're here in my crib. We're gonna do a workout. It's only got 4 exercises. I'm gonna take you through them right now. This one will probably only take you about 30 minutes. So if you have 30 minutes to knock this out, this would be a perfect opportunity to do so. So buckle up, let's jump into the at-home chest workout. All right guys, so we're starting off exercise number 1 with the good old-fashioned push-up. Now, a caveat here, we're slowing it down, all right? So when you lower yourself to the ground, I want you to keep tension on the chest, triceps, and shoulders 3 seconds down. Keep tension, don't lay on the ground, explode back up. That's gonna make push-ups so much harder. Slow down the pace and watch your chest take flight. This is a floor fly. Now you could do a floor press if you prefer. A floor fly is just gonna give a nice stretch in the chest, and I like it after a push movement like a push-up. Blood's already in the chest, now it's stretching things out a little bit. You could even superset push-ups and a fly if you want to make things harder, if you don't have access to heavier dumbbells. This is once again a great one for travel, safe movement. I don't like the fly on a bench because your shoulders and chest get compromised. That stretch really takes them pretty deep, and there's that risk of tearing something. So I like doing them on the floor. Keep the tension on the chest the whole time here. Great complementary movement to push-ups. All right. So this one's a bitch. This one, if you want push-ups to burn, this is the money shot, so get ready. All right, exercise number 3, one of my least favorite but also most effective movements for chest. This is a band push-up. If you've never done band push-ups before, start with a lighter band. It's gonna burn, so you can always graduate to a heavier band if you need to. You don't need much resistance here though. You could even slow down the pace. So do the similar pacing to the first push-up movement where 3 seconds down, explode up with the band this time. Oh man, this one's gonna kill. So take your time, feel the movement, just be prepared. This one really sucks. All right, last but not least, we're doing feet elevated push-ups. This great movement to have with dumbbells. Why? Because you have that neutral grip. So neutral grip is palms facing each other, safe way to hit the chest, kind of finish things off. This is one of my personal favorite movements, period. You don't need dumbbells, you could just do it with the hands on the floor, but I like it with dumbbells. Just feels better, feels like you're really nailing the chest. Okay, dude. All right, guys, so you wanted real? Giving you real. That one was tough. We just did 1 round. So go through this, 4 rounds, enjoy it. It's gonna burn, but it'll all be over soon. That is the home-based chest destroyer. All you need is a pair of dumbbells. And honestly, you don't need the dumbbells, but they're cool because they give that neutral grip. But if you want to just do them on the floor, that's totally fine too. A pair of bands, excellent thing to have around the house. But as you can tell, these are super, super simple movements. But if you use the strategies and the tips I gave you, your chest will be on fire, all right? So if you want more workouts, you can go to my website, thetruetransformation.com. If you want to see more home-based, travel-friendly workouts like this, be sure to leave a comment, let me know below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the little bell to get notified every time we release a video. That's it. I'm gonna go try not to die. Josiah Novak, thetruetransformation.com. Talk to you on the next one. Peace.